Can an LLC be publicly traded? No, an LLC cannot be publicly traded like a corporation. LLCs are designed as privately held entities with ownership divided among members, not shareholders. Because of this, they don't issue stock, which is required for trading on public stock exchanges. If an LLC wants to go public, it would first need to convert into a corporation, usually a C corporation. This is because corporations can issue shares of stock, raise money from the public, and meet the strict reporting and regulatory requirements of the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. For most small businesses, remaining an LLC makes more sense because it is simpler and more flexible. Going public is generally a step taken only by large companies seeking major outside investment. Zen Business can help you form an LLC now and guide you if you decide to convert to a corporation later. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.